I'll show you how to replace a valve stem on a wheel without removing the tire. We're not going to remove the tire, but we do need to break the bead on one side, and we'll use this jack. I place the tire underneath the jack point and jack it down. I'll run it down until the bead breaks. Usually it doesn't take too much pressure. Because I only brought the tire straight down and it didn't spin, we're not going to lose our balance. We'll add a little bit of silicone grease to the bottom of the stem. I'll move the tire down a little bit with this clamp. This will give me a lot more room to work. The stem is damaged, so I'm not going to worry about saving it, and I'll just cut it out. Pull the rest out the top. I'll add some silicone grease to the bottom of the good stem. I'll make sure everything is clean before we put it back in. Slide the new stem up from the bottom. We'll push the stem in as much as we can. Use a crowbar to push upwards. With the cap on, you can pull it up with a pair of pliers until it snaps in. To reseat the bead, we're going to need a ratchet strap. Center the strap on the tire and then start to ratchet it down. This will help pull the bead back to the rim. Put air in until the bead goes back on. There it goes. Move the strap. Put some soapy water on everything to make sure it's not leaking. Check for leaks on the other side. Just look for bubbles. Everything looks good. That's how I put a valve stem in without special equipment.